This week we're talking about the specs, the acceleration, the two-up, and finding neutral on the Grom.
It's not quick shift.
No, I know.
It's not quick shift.
Right off the edge.
We have some aftermarket clutch levers. We have aftermarket brake levers. A little bit of aftermarketness going on here. So let's start up. So this will be like my first impressions of riding the Grom. As you can see, I have an 8,000 RPM red line. Yeah, the suspension is really soft. That is for sure. I'm on an old highway here, of course, that's been closed down for a while, and these bumps are quite smooth. So if you're going like across some sidewalks, some back roads, through the fields, yeah, even through stuff like that, yeah, this would be a blast. Oh my God! All right, acceleration. Let's get on her. Oh yeah.
Oh my God!
It's a rocket.
All right, let's talk about the TFT display. So you have an RPM gauge on this, and you have your speedo here, nice and easy to see from all angles. The bike does come with ABS, but Aiden chose not to get it because he likes to live dangerously. Because he's a real man. That's right. He doesn't need ABS. Have about a 30-inch height to the seat, stock. So if you're a little torso impaired, this might be the choice for you. We have some wind damage from some speed burst. Yeah, this thing's so fast, it actually melts the plastic. Huh? For reals, folks, for reals. This thing's a beast. So within this powerhouse, we have a 124cc motor, which is air-cooled. This is true engineering, my friends, right here. This is true engineering. Anyways, enough about the yibber yabber. Let's take this beast out for some runs. Let's see what kind of terrains and what kind of shenanigans this bike can do. Let's find out if you can wheelie a Grom. Can you wheelie a 9.7 horsepower, 7.7 tons of torqueness? All right, let's see if we can do this.
Round one, fight.
There you have it, folks. You can wheelie a Grom. You can do it. Will we get an encore?
Round two, fight.
Hot diggity dog. Yes. Oh, listen to that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Awesome.
Impressive.
Thank you. All right, let's talk about the two-upness of the bike if you have a pillion. So we have Aiden, who's actually the owner, who's sacrificing this beautiful beast of his to be the guinea pig. And over here we have Stacy, 5'2" and 70 pounds. All right. Any safety precautions, Aiden? Anything we should know?
Yeah, don't step on my exhaust. And don't throw your weight around, you'll kill us both.
All right.
Outstanding.
Why would you spend all that money on a BMW GS when you can ride this on the road, through the town, through the city, and then climb a cliff? This thing's amazing. Don't waste your money on a BMW.
Anyways, thanks for checking out my channel. Until next time, we'll talk to you later. Ciao. That ain't no Grom.
Talking about it.